Mobile phone has become one of our daily necessities. It makes our life more convenient and more interesting. Also, bicycle is the most environmental friendly transportation. They allow us to exercise and enjoy life at the same time. Hi, I'm Rich Lin, Creative Director of Bone Collection. Enjoy life, care for Earth. That's the starting point of all our designs. The bike home merges creativity and function to mount your iPhone onto your bicycle, implementing green design, powerless technology for unique bicycle amplifier. We use environmental-friendly silicone and utilize its natural elastic character, test after test, for the mounting band with a different length, thickness, and tension. Finally achieve the clean and effective one-piece design for our bike home. The bike home can be mounted onto different sides of the bicycle handlebars and can be turned to different orientation based on the user's application. It may also be mounted onto the handle of a baby stroller or other railings. With our smart design, bike home could be easy attach and detach. Bike home's patented design uses the principle of reflex chamber and can amplify iPhone's music by 10 dB louder without electrical power. Additionally, the user-friendly design microphone port, you may use the speaker function as normal while mounted. Now you can enjoy the music, video, or conversations without using headphones or holding your phone. Bike home, enjoy the happy and healthy lifestyle.